Hey everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on mastering T-DEX, the Telegram game where you can trade, earn, and have fun. In this video, I will provide a summary to help you understand how to play T-DEX. Let's dive in. We have 5 tabs in the game, and we provide a brief introduction to each one. Our main tab is the Trade tab. In the Trade tab, players can predict whether the price of 5 different coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, TON, and T-DEX, will go up or down. They make a choice based on the current price, and if their prediction is correct, they earn in-game currency. It's a straightforward way for players to grow their balance by making careful guesses using real data. Here's how the trade system works. First, the player chooses a coin, and then tries to predict whether the price of that coin will rise or fall. For example, if a player thinks the Bitcoin value is going to increase in the market, they hit buy. Think it's going to decrease? Go with sell. After the choice is made, it is locked for 4 hours, during which no other choice can be made. Then, they check the results. If the player chooses buy and the coin's value goes up, they win. If the player chooses sell and the coin's value goes down, they also win. But if the coin's value moves in the opposite direction of their choice, they lose. After 4 hours, the game compares the coin's value at the beginning and end of the period. If the player wins, their profit percentage determines their earnings. If they lose, their loss percentage decides how much of their balance is reduced. At the top of the page, you can see daily income. This is the amount of balance the player can claim each day. It could be increased by upgrading the avatar. Whenever players claim their daily income, a percentage of it will be claimed as T-DEX. This percentage is called Save to the Bank, which can also be increased by upgrading your avatar. They should earn T-DEX as much as they can for the AIRDROP. The balance is the total in-game currency. Players can increase their balance by doing quests. In the Quests tab, players can complete tasks to earn rewards. Players can also get items and bonuses that improve their avatar. By doing quests and playing the game, the player can increase their balance enough to do some upgrades in the shop. In the Shop tab, players can make important choices to improve their gameplay and grow their earnings. Players can use their in-game balance to improve their avatar. Each upgrade helps in different ways, like increasing daily income and profit, or reducing losses. When upgrading, one part of the dinosaur is chosen randomly and enhanced, with each part offering a different benefit. Players can also upgrade miners for each of the 5 cryptocurrencies. Miners help in earning more daily income, profit, and reducing losses. There are badges at the top of the page. By clicking on each badge, the rewards and the way to get it will be displayed. The players can see all their earnings in the Wallet tab. Players can keep track of their earnings and claim their rewards. They must connect their wallet to get their earnings. To earn TON, the players must invite others with their own referral links, which they can find in the Referral tab. Players can invite others to join the game and earn rewards for doing so. They will find their referral link here. They can share this link with friends, family, or anyone who might enjoy the game. The more people players invite, the more rewards they can earn. One important point is they should remind the people they invite to stay active and get their active badge. The more active their referrals are, the more rewards the players receive. It gets more interesting when the players can compete, and they can see the results in the Leaderboard tab. They can see the rank and T-DEX points of the top 10 players. This shows the best players in the game, and players can aim to join them by improving their rank. At the top of the leaderboard, they can see their current rank and total T-DEX points. This helps them track their progress as they play. To improve their rank, players should increase their T-DEX. And that's a wrap. Now you're all set to navigate our game and maximize your rewards. Invite your friends, complete quests, and upgrade your character for the best gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!